One of the hardest things in HVACR is to understand what is going on inside of the vapor compression cycle. And what that is what most people refer to as your air conditioning system. And we wanted to not only give students a visual, we wanted to give them a way to manipulate what is actually happening inside the system while at the same time seeing inside the system as you're exhibiting here. We can play with fan speeds, we can play with superheat, subcooling, we can record, data log, and then we can email it and study it in the classroom and start to walk our way into data analysis, right, of energy systems. And it allows us the ability to teach multiple ways on multiple platforms and understand something that typically doesn't allow you to see within it from a completely different lens, just like you're seeing here, and understanding when you can't condense enough refrigerant, your system starts to starve itself. What that allows us is the ability to teach the vapor compression cycle at a completely different level for each and every one of our students at the College of DuPage.